In a world of instant communication, Xoom mobile money transfer has become a silent game changer, redefining how people send money across borders. Owned by PayPal, Xoom has carved a niche for itself with speed, security, and simplicity. But today, let's uncover 6 exclusive and rarely discussed facts about Xoom that you won't find elsewhere online. 1. Dual authorization layer. While most platforms offer basic 2-step verification, Xoom adds a dual-layer authorization system using a dynamic AI risk engine that silently verifies device trust without disrupting user experience. This results in fewer failed transactions due to location or device change. 2. Intelligent transfer timing. Xoom uses an AI-based feature that adjusts the best time to process your transfer based on real-time traffic on its global partner networks. This minimizes delays in high-volume corridors like India and the Philippines. Unlike other apps where limits are fixed, Xoom allows users, especially NRIs and business users, to apply for instant limit upgrades directly through the mobile app. The best part? Approval can happen in under 30 minutes if your KYC is strong. Xoom has introduced a biometric complaint logging feature for high-value users. If you're using a face-authenticated device, you can file a dispute using facial recognition instead of passwords or security questions. Alright, let's talk about multilingual chatbot assistance. Xoom's in-app customer support chatbot is, well, pretty impressive. It's powered with real-time translation and can respond in over 15 regional Indian languages, including Bengali, Tamil, and Marathi. This is something most competitors like Remitly or Wise don't support yet. Moving on to the flat fee override option. Xoom sometimes allows its long-term users to override the usual percentage-based fee structure. Instead, they can opt for a one-time flat monthly fee. But here's the catch. This offer is available only to consistent users who send more than $2,000 per month. Now, let's compare, shall we? Xoom's transfer fees typically range from $2.99 to $4.99 depending on the destination and method. However, if you're using a credit card, charges may go up to 3% of the amount. On the other hand, Wise offers better exchange rates but charges a percentage-based fee. Remitly offers promotions but with capped limits and fewer direct deposit options. To experience it firsthand or get the latest fee calculator, you can visit their websites. Just head over to www.xoom.com or check out www.paypal.com for more details.